The vision of precision. Thermal processing for the ophthalmic industry. Experienced and reliable partner for ophthalmic thermal processing. Can we earn your trust? Vechoven, with over 170 years of experience in thermal processing, we are continually improving our engineering expertise and production standards. We collaborate worldwide with industry leaders in this industry with a great sense of responsibility. From oven and oven systems to completely automated systems, you can count on us for your customized solutions. We are the pace setters for thermal treatment in the ophthalmic industry. For an increased output of the same or different products, our parallel running oven might just be the right fit for your thermal processing needs. During the heat treatment, smooth transportation of the products in a clean environment is ensured. The temperature in each of the heating zones can be adjusted individually, and a temperature uniformity of plus or minus 0.5 Kelvin can be ascertained on the products at each cycle point. Our systems are developed based on the 4 eyes principle. This is why adequate checks are put in place to ensure that the right products are processed in the right line under the right conditions. Treatment data administration. Our enhancement to Industry 4.0 with focus on product quality. Our systems come with a treatment data administration system according to FDA 21 CFR Part 11. The web technology does not require installation in the customer's network in order to protect the IT infrastructure. With this system, tracking and tracing according to the customer's requirements is possible. Additionally, data from upstream and downstream processes can be automatically collected and managed. Automated sorting, stacking, and unloading. The manipulator at the end of the curing cycle concludes the smooth transportation task. Based on the process history, the products are sorted into conforming and non-conforming parts and are stacked accordingly. The manual exchange of the entire processed batch is then very easy. Our customers do not have to deal with multiple suppliers because we are your single-point solution for your semi- or completely automated thermal processing need. Worldwide presence with a reliable service team. It is our priority to support our customers during the entire life cycle management, and we will be there to give you the support you need while using our machines. With physical presence in many countries, with a reliable service network worldwide, we are ready to collaborate with more service partners in order to offer you the shortest possible service response time. Vechoven, your system supplier for your ophthalmic process.